Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Renzo protocol and there might be an upcoming airdrop for the Renzo protocol. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Renzo protocol is basically EigenLayer liquid staking hub. So basically you can restake your Ethereum in order to get this easy ETH. And if we talk about the total locked value on Renzo protocol, it's more than 300 million, which is a good thing and it's rising day by day as you can see. So we are expecting a huge airdrop for this in the future. Now, if we talk about the seed investors for this, as you can see, there are some big names for the Renzo protocol. There is OKX Ventures, Bitscale, then there is Edessa Capital, a lot of them, as you can see. So in total, there are like 30 plus angel investors who have actually invested in Renzo protocol, and the only way to make them happy is to create tokens and distribute it to them. And hopefully, for users like us, there would be airdrop for this. Now, if we talk about the app itself, as you can see, if we go here and check the total amount of EigenLayer restake points captured by Renzo would be distributed 100% to easy ETH holders. That means there is a huge potential that there would be an airdrop. So all you have to do is you will need to connect your wallet over here. Maybe you can use a MetaMask or Trust wallet, and then you can go in restake over here and you can restake your Ethereum to get some easy ETH. Now there is also something called as a portfolio where you will be able to check your portfolio. Then they have this analytics. Now they also have a referral program. I will leave a link in the description for my referral link. You can use it. It really helps. And with regards to DeFi, they have a lot of DeFi. As you can see, it's Balancer, Pendle, Curve and Uniswap. And the trade function is coming soon on Renzo protocol. So basically you will be able to trade your favorite coins and tokens on the Renzo protocol. So as you can see, it's still in the beta stages, and hopefully in the future this protocol will do good and there will be a token for it, and the airdrop should be a pretty decent airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.